Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Luisa. Happy holidays to everybody. I'm so glad you could join me today. I feel so lucky because look what I have. I have a beautiful gift from Gina, from Gina's Gems Creations. She also has a channel called GGC Beginning Beaders, and I cannot wait to see what's in this box. A couple of months ago, she had asked me to do an unboxing for her new box called GGC's Treasure Box. It was released in October and the name of the box was Nature's Bounty. And she had asked me to do another unboxing for the Christmas box, but because it sold out so quickly, it didn't make sense for me to do an unboxing. So instead of sending me the box, she sent me a gift. Now her treasure boxes sell out really quickly, guys. So if you're interested, you should go to her website and sign up for notifications so that the next time she launches a box, you'll be one of the first ones to find out. I'll leave her website link down below, and I'll also leave her YouTube channel links down below as well. But anyway, guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's in this box. So let's go ahead, turn the camera around, and we'll get started. Well, this is definitely an early Christmas present for me. Look at this gorgeous bag full of beautiful beads and bead caps and components. I am so lucky to have received this lovely gift from Gina. And if you know anything about Gina and her designs, you'll know that she has great taste. And she does such a wonderful job of putting together the beads for her treasure box. But most of all, she just has a great sense of design and knows how to make aesthetically pleasing pieces. So I know the contents of this bag are going to be absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to see what's inside. So let me go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh. I feel so spoiled. Look at this, guys. Look at these beautiful greens and these beautiful earth tones. Oranges. She even included some E6000. This looks like a kit of some kind. I can't wait to see what that's about. And here's a very romantic collection. Mermaid beads. Let me go ahead and organize it and we'll take a look at each thing. Now this one really intrigued me because she included E6000. She included some pendants, some gemstones. Oh my gosh. These look like gorgeous gemstone rondelles. These are so pretty. Look how they coordinate, guys. One of my favorite things is to combine orange colors with green colors. Look how pretty that looks. So let's take a look at this one here. So here we have two very interesting triangular shaped beads. They're not drilled. And it looks like she included some glue-in bales. These are designed to be glued on the back of these beads. And look how gorgeous these are. Oh my gosh. You could glue them like that. You could glue them like this. I'm going to have so much fun with these. These make such great pendants. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? And they coordinate so nicely with these beads here. I love it. And I love these green ones as well. So beautiful. Look how gorgeous these are. I love the peaches and the oranges and greens together. It's so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. This one's very pretty too because it's very transparent. Look at that. But anyway, what a beautiful kit. And I love that she included the glue. So generous of her. So I'm definitely going to be making something with these beads, guys. Okay. So I want you to check back with my channel because I'm definitely going to make some tutorials with all of these beads that I'm about to show you. And here's another kit. Look at this beautiful combination. We have this lovely plum kind of color. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that is. They're all faceted too. And then this other color. These are like a yellowish gold color. Very pretty. And we have a pendant here in the same color family as this one. And actually I can see this color in there as well. So pretty. Look at this, guys. Look at that interesting pattern. Isn't it beautiful? I have no idea what kind of stone or what kind of bead this is, but it's absolutely gorgeous. These are definitely gemstones of some kind. I'm not sure exactly what they are, but they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. See what I mean about how aesthetically pleasing her color combinations are? All I have to do is arrange these on my bead mat and they look gorgeous. And here's another bag full of beautiful goodies. Oh my gosh, these are all green colors. So I basically received a rainbow for Christmas. Look at these gorgeous sparkly beads. I love this pretty pale green and the beautiful facets on these. Oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. It's that very, very subtle sage kind of green that I really love. I can definitely see combining these two colors as well. Look how pretty that looks. I can't wait to play with these beads. I know I'm going to come up with something really pretty. I just love this color, guys. These would make really beautiful bracelets. And here's some more gorgeous beads. These are called cuboid beads, and look how gorgeous the sparkle is. I don't know what kind of finish this is, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I can see all kinds of beautiful colors. I can see silver, pink, purple, green. They're so gorgeous. And they match really nicely with these. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look how beautiful these are. These are so pretty and so sparkly, and they look so nice with these cuboid beads. What makes these so beautiful is that they have a lot of plating on one side, and then on the other side they're more transparent. And the colors look so different without the plating. I don't know how they manufacture these crystals, but it's amazing that they can get so many different colors in one bead. And these would make great earrings. They would also look gorgeous on a necklace. So I'm definitely going to have to make something with these. And here's a very romantic set of, looks like pearl beads and a pendant. I don't know if this is rose quartz. It might be. Let's have a look. It's such a pretty color, guys, and I love the size. It's a very nice size. And it coordinates so nicely with these beautiful rose-colored beads. And I'm pretty sure these are gemstones. Look how beautiful these are. It's a beautiful rose color, pale rose color. They look so nice with these beautiful pebbled pearls. It's so easy to find inspiration when you're given such gorgeous beads to begin with. It definitely makes the design process so much easier. And I don't have to work that much to come up with some ideas. And here we have some mermaid beads. And once again, she included a pendant. It's so generous of her. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty this is. And as you can see, this is a different kind of pink. It has a bluish tint to it. And these mermaid beads have a gorgeous flash right in the middle of each bead. They somehow applied the AB finish right through the middle of each bead. And that's what gives it that gorgeous flash. But anyway, guys, look at how beautiful these coordinate. This one has a little bit of peach in it, but it also has that gorgeous pink color, which is absolutely stunning. I love it. And I love the translucency of this pendant. It's so gorgeous. And it's not going to be that difficult to come up with a beautiful necklace. All I have to do is basically put it on some beading wire, add a clasp, and I'm done. And here are some metal components. We have some bead caps, we have some links, and we have some tubular shaped beads. Let's take a look at the tubular shaped beads. I love them. I love the design on them. They're so pretty. And they're a little bit flattened as well, so that's different. They're long, but they're delicate looking at the same time. And look how cool they look threaded up against each other on a rod. Isn't that cool looking, guys? And if I added a bead in between each one, it would look absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And then we have these links. It's fun to use links, and these are beautiful flowers, as you can see. You can definitely add a cabochon or something on the back, but there's really no need to. They look pretty finished on the back, and they're very substantial. And I love the intricate detail of each of those petals. I can see making some kind of a bracelet with these links. Look how pretty that looks. So I'm definitely going to make something with these. And then here's some bead caps. And oh my goodness, that's a lot of bead caps. These are definitely going to come in handy. As you can see, each one has a very pretty design. They're an antique silver color, and these will definitely dress up any kind of design. I feel like Santa gave me a rainbow for Christmas. I feel so fortunate to have received such a beautiful and generous gift from Gina. I mean, look at these gorgeous beads, guys. These colors are absolutely delightful, and I know I'm going to come up with some lovely designs. So definitely come back and check my channel for the tutorials, because I'll be making quite a few pieces with these gorgeous beads. And if you're interested in buying some of her products, you can go to her website. I don't know if she has any of these, but she may have some of them. I think I've actually seen some of these pendants on her website, But anyway, if you do go to her website and you don't see any of these items, you can always send her a message because maybe she has them in stock even though they're not on the website. And definitely check out her treasure box. Like I said before, you can sign up for notifications whenever she releases a new box, because if you don't sign up and you don't get the notification, you may miss out on purchasing it because they do sell very, very quickly. Alright guys, let me go ahead and put these beautiful beads away and I'll come back and say goodbye. I am absolutely mesmerized with everything that Gina sent me. And besides being a great jewelry designer and artist, she's a wonderful, generous person, and I can't wait to sit down and play with those beads. I know I'm going to come up with something, so I want you to come back and check my channel. Look for tutorials coming up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Happy holidays if I don't see you. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.